Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to be having natural cornrow hairstyle. I am going to cornrow the hair backward in this video. So we are going to be cornrolling the hair backward, but then I'm going to compare two cornrows. The first one, I'm going to stand at her back and cornrow the hair, starting from here, rolling it backwards. The second one, I am going to be standing right here in her front and rolling it backwards. Let's see how it's going to be. Okay, people, it is time to start rolling the hair. So ignore the roughness of the hair, ignore all the trash, ignore all the things you see here in her hair, ignore all the things here in her hair, like all these small tiny things. The scalp is actually clean, but then these parts have some things that got stuck to it, probably while she was busy rolling herself, on the ground. Anyway, people, so ignore these parts. We are going to be having thorough hair wash in the next video. So let's start cornrolling this hair. This is beginner's hair tip. So put your head this way, put your heads this way. I'm going to part out the hair I'll be cornrolling. So depending on the size you want to cornroll, it can be thin hair you are parting out to cornroll, or maybe you are parting out thick hair. So this one is just moderate size. I am sectioning out. This is going to be a quick hairstyle, not something really fanciful, just a quick hairstyle. It's holiday period, so people, we are going to cornroll this part of the hair. So if you have hairpin, you can use it to secure this part so it doesn't disturb you when you are cornrolling this part. But I'm going to be using hairband to secure this place. So next, I'm going to gently comb the hair. Gently comb the hair. So this is beginner's tip. If you comb the hair, with so much strength, you might end up breaking the hair. But then if you gently comb the hair, you might just have little or no breakage at the end of the day, So gently comb the hair. So you can see, we just have tiny hair breakage here. So this is why you have to gently comb the hair. So people, I'm going to be applying Vaseline. You can use any hair cream of your choice. So for me, I'm using Vaseline on the scalp. So this helps to, make the hair not to be so dry. This is the reason for this Vaseline. Now I am standing right here at her back. I'm going to be cornrolling this hair backward. Let us see what the cornroll is going to look like. Let me bring the camera very close so we can see what the hair will look like. So this is how to cornroll hair for beginners. This beginning part, I'm going to divide it. Just divide it into three, the tip of the hair. Divide it into three and start gripping. As you cornroll backward, you start gripping the hair. As you cornroll, you grip. So this is me standing at her back cornrolling. Let us see the difference in the two cornrow. So let me show you in a closer way how I grip the hair. So people, here is the first corn roll we did. Can you see the way the cornrow is looking? So this is me standing at her back and corn rolling this hair. So the next one I'll be trying now, this particular next style I want to try, I'm still learning it, but I just want to keep practicing until I perfect my hand and practice corn rolling it backward. Let's see what the cornrow will look like. Again, section the hair. Okay guys, so now I want to practice corn rolling the hair from the front to the back, still all back hairstyle. So I've not really perfected my hands in this particular style, but I'm just practicing to see what it will look like. So the same way, I'm going to start from this beginning part, sectioning it into three, and gripping the hair as I can roll. I'm still learning this one. I've not really perfected my hand, but I like, whenever I see people corn rolling the hair, starting from the front. Wow, we are getting it. Guys, I tell you, practice makes perfect. When you practice something, gradually you'll be getting it. Like, look at the way I'm doing it, like I'm already used to it. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Like, amazing. Amazing. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is amazing. Let's my hand is beginning to shake. Oh my God, let me see. What am I doing? So, this is actually my first time trying to make this hair. I used to see people make the hair and I just like it, but I don't know how to make it. So I'm just trying my best to, you know, to see how they grip the hair. but I know with time I'll definitely learn this. It's we are almost there, like almost there. Oh my god, like it's almost grip off my hand. This is so funny. I'm not gonna take off this hair, I'm going to leave this hair, you know. And as time goes on, we keep practicing until we get it really good. So guys, did I try? Did I try? It's so funny. So this is the corn roll I did. I'm corn rolling it backwards. And this is the one I did, you know, standing at her back and corn rolling it. Can you guys see? What is the difference? Can you see the difference in the cornrow? So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing. I mean, I see it as a very special skill. So I am going to keep doing my best. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to do my best until I perfect it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. So keep practicing if you are new to cornrow. So you can see the difference here in the cornrow. So let's keep doing our best until we perfect our hands. So people, catch you all in the next video. Bye people.